Good morning, my name is Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Kia Soul. Rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion at the trunk hatch. Look here, one finger is all it takes. Take it to the ground using only my index finger. 32-inch wide ramp, 53 inches of room coming inside the van, 52 inches once you're inside the little Kia. Sorry about that, had a customer walk up, but 800-pound weight capacity. It's got the easy lock in there. Those are $2,000 new to put in over that. So that comes in, you can slide your side of the wheelchair and lock it in place. Don't have to worry about anything but putting a seatbelt on. We do throw the basic tie downs, pull tight tie downs in as well in case you need those. If you want to upgrade to the Q strengths, that'll be an additional cost because we've already got the easy lock in there. Headliner's in great shape. You can enter through, open both side doors here to do the tie downs, allows easy access. This is just a two-seater, so you know, it'd be great for someone and maybe the significant other if you don't haul people around too often. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road. Got all your plug-ins for your electronics, your cup holders. Nice clean little ride. So when you got everybody secure, come back out. Look here, one finger, that's all it takes. Look at that. Super simple to do. So you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground. You can operate this little ramp with ease. It's even got a little strap there in case you have trouble reaching up high to close the door. Has a dual walk around. Nice clean, it's got tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels. All these tires are in good shape, about 7 to 8/32 seconds. So they're not quite brand new, but they do have a lot of life left on them. Nice and clean, it's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this. And we took this on trade from a local family. They just needed a little bit more room for their growing family, so they upgraded to a mobility van. That's been very well taken care of. Great fuel mileage, you get over 30 miles a gallon on the highway. So if you like to travel, want to put some miles on it, this might be the little SUV for you. It's got the VIN number. We always show you the VIN number, that way you know. I've got the vehicle here in my possession. This is not some internet scam. There's the VIN. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax report on every one of our vehicles. You can see the vehicle have minor to moderate damage, nothing major. I'm going to show that to you here in just a minute. As I scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage. You know, the frame's never been bent. Shows no airbag deployment. Airbags haven't gone off. Odometer's accurate. I'll get to that accident here in a minute. Does have one open recall. You can take that to any Kia dealer to make an appointment. They'll fix that for you at no charge. Now, as we scroll down, it does show in August of 2018, so darn near 5 years ago, damage to the right front. Airbags did not deploy. So again, airbags didn't go off. There was no frame damage. I'm not opposed to buying a vehicle that might have had a bumper painted or hood replaced. You know, I don't want anything with frame damage. I don't want anything flooded. I don't want anything with airbags. This had none of those. So, you know, in my opinion, it's fully safe, ready to go. It's 5 years ago. Obviously, it's been fixed and done right. Also, no matter who you do business with, look them up online. Find us on eBay. 1,281 transactions. Every single one of those customers left us positive feedback. That's 100% positive feedback. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Find us on Google. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. We've got 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear people oftentimes complaining they bought a vehicle from a mobility dealer. They overpaid $10,000 or $15,000 for it, so they're way upside down on it. They had one with frame damage or a bunch of issues they didn't know about. I looked those dealers up online, and they've got 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings. So I mean, if you buy from somebody with a 2.5 out of 5 rating on their stars, what do you think is going to happen? Everyone has problems with them. You're going to be no different. It's not always just about who has the cheapest price. So if you want 5-star vans or 5-star service from a company that's been doing it for over a decade, give me a call. Okay, I've got 2 keys, 2 fobs, got the keyless entry. Inside very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Got the black cloth interior. Does show a little sign to just wear. This black, picks up any white, whatever it be. But it's nice and clean, no tears. No unusual odors. I know you've already seen back here, but just giving you a little different perspective. If you need to access the wheelchair in the back, you can just reach in and do it right here. So not a whole lot of room in here, but great for one chair. And when I go to start the vehicle up, fires right up. You can see all the dummy lights work, and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. Those will all go out. You heard the radio works. Got all your plugs for your electronics down there. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors, power windows, power locks. They actually go over to a warehouse with lifts, and we've got a whole bunch of equipment over there to test over vehicles. We test the brakes, hoses, suspension, steering, replace fluids as necessary, check tires, take them on a road test, do frame check. We're very thorough in everything we do, and I hope this video shows that. No one in the country puts in, we do about 50 pictures, we do these videos, we do Carfaxes. Nobody in the country is more thorough than we are on what they put on their lot. Underneath the hood has a little 4-cylinder engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Runs and purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the Kia, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any leaks, like oil leaks or anything like that. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it only has 60,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. They assume it's not all rusted out underneath. Do not do that. Do not assume things. I tell you what, go check out my competition. That's right, I'm sending you to the competition. Do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle, you know the history of the vehicle, it's got a clean title, so on and so forth? Do they get it on their hands and knees like I am right now and get you pictures, much less videos of the undercarriage, so you can see it hasn't been in a bad accident or it doesn't have a bunch of rust, from a flood or being up north. So if you buy a vehicle but the frame has been compromised, whether it's from rust or an accident, not only is it unsafe to drive, you compromise the integrity of the structure of the vehicle, it also may not pass inspection in your state. If it doesn't pass inspection in your state, guess what? You can't drive it. You can't get a tag for it. If it doesn't pass inspection, then you can't drive it. So congratulations, you just bought a paperweight. So do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. Demand a Carfax report. Get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation, and demand a warranty. Our little Kia here comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our product, that's why we offer the warranty. Do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to take the vehicles on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this little Kia home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. We've road tested it, traffic permitting. I'll see if I can get it up to about 70 miles an hour here. Good acceleration, shifts smoothly, popped it up to 70 miles an hour. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Like I mentioned, we do offer a 90-day complimentary warranty at no charge to you. We do sell longer term warranties, bumper to bumper type warranties that go anywhere from 90 days all the way out to 8 years. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, or they don't even tell you about until it's time to close the deal, is a $500 administrative fee. They got dock fees, they got tag fees, and oh yeah, they don't have free shipping like we do. So next thing you know, once you add up all those hidden fees, once you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees. Be sure to check into shipping, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? I don't know. I just know in business, transparency is key. If people aren't being transparent and straight up honest from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. If you do want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-VANS. 8267. A nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And back to that phone number here. If texting is easier for you, or you just feel more comfortable texting, you're not a phone person, give me a text, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to talk to an automated system or end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? So if you're like me, you're sick of being just a number to all these companies out there, sick of never getting a return phone call, to reach out to myself, the owner. Let me take care of you start to finish. And if you do want to call the competition and talk to a used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal, you go right ahead and do that. If you want absolutely zero pressure sales, I'm just here to give you information, let you make the best decision for you. Give me a call, because that's what I'm here for. I promise you, I'm going to sell this little Kia whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And yes, we have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give me a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. It won't take 5 minutes. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free Carfax reports on every single vehicle, and dozens of pictures so you know exactly what you're getting, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.